Meaning of interchangeability.
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 Interchangeability. Interchangeability refers to the ability of one thing to be substituted or replaced by another thing without any significant difference in function or effect. This means that the two things are essentially the same and can be used interchangeably in a particular context. For example, if two products have the same specifications and can perform the same functions, they can be considered interchangeable. Interchangeability is important in many areas, such as manufacturing, engineering, and medicine, where it allows for greater flexibility and efficiency in production, design, and treatment.